Configuring the server timeout for FIFA 24 can help improve your gaming experience by ensuring that you stay connected during matches. Follow these steps to adjust the settings effectively. Step 1. Access the game settings. Launch FIFA 24 and navigate to the main menu. Look for the settings option, usually found at the bottom of the screen. Click on it to enter the settings menu. Step 2. Select online settings. Within the settings menu, find and select online settings. This section contains various options related to your online gaming experience, including server configurations. Step 3. Adjust timeout settings. In the online settings menu, look for the server timeout option. Here you can adjust the timeout duration based on your preference. Increase the timeout duration to prevent disconnections during longer matches. Step 4. Save changes. After adjusting the server timeout settings, make sure to save your changes. Look for a Save or Apply button at the bottom of the menu and click it to ensure your new settings are activated. Step 5. Restart the game. To finalize the configuration, exit the settings menu and restart FIFA 24. This will apply the new server timeout settings and ensure they take effect during your next gaming session. By following these steps, you can configure the server timeout in FIFA 24 to enhance your online gameplay experience. Enjoy your matches.